This is New York. This is New York. Everybody late. Everybody.
Because you're lousy, that's why you are late.
Everybody late. It's New York.
Bitch, that's why you are late.
You want to be on time, go to Jamaica and walk to work.
And if I was there, I would have get there.
You're going to be late. That's it. You're going to be.
Hello everyone. Now I hope you're all doing fine, and if you're not doing fine, please do fine. Now this video really got me surprised because this is not whatever I always expect of Jamaican ladies. We all know they are so aggressive and they do stand on their ground when things or matters go out of hand. Now this is quite the opposite because this lady engaged in a word of war. But it never ended well because it's really sad to see two black people in a foreign country trying to argue out, trying to create beef and rift, calling out the names of their country. So let's watch this video, then come together and have a quick discussion about the same. Thank you so much. Please do not skip.
This is New York. This is New York. Everybody late. Everybody.
Because you're lousy, that's why you are late.
Everybody late. It's New York.
Bitch, that's why
you want to be on time, go to Jamaica and walk to work.
And if I was there, I would have get there.
You're going to be late. That's it. You're going to be late.
I don't give a shit where I won't come from out where.
Don't be mad at him because you're late.
Not from Jamaica either, so you're talking from.
Well, wherever you from, you might be on time if you walk there.
I was talking to the driver.
But you're annoying me, so now I'm going to speak on it.
I'm not in your fucking house.
It's fucking annoying.
Oh, I get you now. You live in the house?
You need a fucking car.
You
know what it is? You upset because you got a bullshit ass job. And you late to your bullshit ass job. You can't buy a car because you got a bullshit ass job. Don't be mad. Don't fuck everybody else day up. Poor lady got a wheelchair. She got on the bus with a wheelchair. That's why the bus is late.
It takes 15 minutes to get on.
You gonna be mad at that? She won't get out of here.
Don't stop.
Ask your boss for a raise. You can buy a car and you won't have to take the fucking bus. I'm gonna probably get fired. I'm mad late. I don't even care. I'll get another job. I'm not gonna get mad at the bus driver. It's my fault. I should have been on the 12:10 instead of the 12:13 bus. That's my fault. That ain't his fault. Wake your ass up early. Put the fucking dumplings down. I mean, and get on the bus. Wildin' out, B. Yo. You could keep going. I could keep going. I'm getting off at 5 towns. So we could do this all the way till 5 towns.
He's a pussy because you're retarded.
I'm retarded too. Me and the bus driver both retarded. Everybody's retarded now. Who else retarded on this bus? This bus too long for everybody to be retarded. The retarded people get on the short bus, not the long bus. Yo, go a little slower, driver. You're going too fast. Slow down a little bit. Get motion sickness on the bus. Slow down a little bit.
Yo, that's crazy.
Fuck this lady, B. What's she talking about?
Wow. I've actually been surprised. I don't know if that's the same with you, because I've never expected Jamaican ladies to go this silent, because we know their nature of aggressiveness that they have. We know how much they do stand on the ground when things are not working out. Now, this, however, was not the case with this lady. After she tried arguing out with this man in this bus in New York, now she was really lectured, and you can see the whole bus was astonished. The whole bus was at a standstill because no one expected this, because we always have known Jamaican ladies, like, you can't just talk to them, then they go silent. But this lady really got the dose of her life. Now, what happens when maybe a lion fights a cheetah, or a lion meets an antelope? It's obvious the lion wins. When a lion meets the antelope, the lion wins. Now, there is this war of words that we do expect, and we all know that Jamaican ladies can't lose in this. Now, it is very rare to get a Jamaican lady losing in a war of words, but in this case, she lost because the man really lectured and rubbished her out, including naming the country where she comes from. It was really messy in this case, and you can see the whole bus was to do nothing but laugh and keep quiet because it really went out of hand. Now, what do you really think about this video? Now, sometimes at a moment we can see it is funny, real fun, of course. People are laughing and all that, they are being entertained. But on the other hand, we can really see it's not, however, good to be calling the name of a country when you are actually maybe making jokes with someone, or when you get into a fight of war, an exchange of words. Now, it's not in order to call a country where someone comes from. That should be respected. The flag of a country, the president of a country, and the people of a given country, they should really be respected. And that's where I came to draw the line. However much I laughed about it, but it is not in order when you go around and call the name of a country while trying to address a person from a particular country, maybe building stereotypes and concluding everything with the person you are arguing out and coming out and say, you Jamaicans, you... No. I think it is high time, when we are having a difference, when we're having differences with some people from a specific country, let's not make it fun with that country. It really nags, it really disturbs me when I see someone trying to make a joke out of a country, a whole country. Now, where is the respect? Where is that all that we know? Now, I know Jamaicans, it is time we all agree that sometimes it's not all about being aggressive. Now, maybe we've known some Jamaican ladies to be aggressive. As of, I was going through the comment section of the same video, and most people are like, Jamaicans are so aggressive and they got the dose they want. Okay, but however much we try to argue out using the name of a whole country, including all the people, putting them in one bucket and classifying them with the same behavior, it is not really adding up. And this is whatever I have to say about this. Now, one, if you are in a foreign country, please try to sell out the name of your country, because that really matters. And if you are in a foreign country too, the second thing is, please try to observe who you are arguing out with. Try to observe and try to be keen whenever or wherever you are going to have an argument with someone. Now, where in another country, people may like to bring those arguments so that they can tag the name of your country. They can bring all that they have been hiding from their hearts so that it can be heard to the whole world. But, and this digital era where whenever everything takes place, someone is recording. Some people are just having cameras, enjoying, laughing, and then go ahead and post them on TikTok or those social media pages, or social media, on the social media I mean. Now, it is not in shape when we all try to make a joke out of a country. Now, just to draw everything now down, while making an argument with someone and in a foreign country, please try to be so respectful, because such kind of words brings war. Such kind of words bring a rift between two countries, between two individuals, between a group of people. So it is good, while having maybe a raffle or a bad time with someone, try to be respectful as much as you can. Now, I can really applaud this lady. She kept her cool. She kept her cool throughout the session, throughout when she was being she was being lectured by this guy about how Jamaicans behave and all that, how they do not have manners. Now, it is really good when she kept quiet, because she really represented her country well. And it's not just a matter of representing your country well. Now, you never know, you might get into a physical war in a foreign country and you can't know whatever happens next. It's just good when we go to hustle in these countries, then we just keep our cool, then behave ourselves, that because this is what blacks people do. And it is really not in good shape when I see two black people arguing out in a white country. It's really bad. It says no, it makes no sense. We should unite while in those countries, in those away countries. Let's keep our cool, unite ourselves outside Africa, outside the Caribbean, outside Jamaica, because our unity outside there is our respect. But whenever we try to maybe create some beef, rift between us, that's where the weakness, that's where the devil, that's where the bad people come in and try to get the opportunities they want. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it so informative, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much.